Let's talk about this product I just received. This is the Grout Pro Cleaner from Bring It On. This is actually a professional grade tile and grout cleaner, and it comes with this grout and detail brush. You put this product on your tile and grout, and then you let it sit for about 5 minutes. You come back with your grout brush and scrub away the dirt and build up in your grout lines. It is literally as simple as that. I was blown away at the results. It worked awesome. It whitened and brightened my grout lines and cleaned the tile. It looks brand new. It is seriously sparkling clean. The brush is great because it has these super stiff bristles that are angled, and then it has this non-slip handle. If you are cleaning tile walls, you can actually unscrew the flip top and put a standard sprayer on to make the application process super easy. So if you are wanting professional grade results, then you need to try this product.